Hi, what's up Stellar XLM holders? So this is live price prediction of Stellar XLM coin, my friend, and you can see here this time minus 13.68%, my friend. The price is decreased now, so very badly fails, my friends, but after a short fails, definitely it's 100% proof, my friend. To upcoming time, my friends, they will give you a very good profit now. So what's the profit? Definitely, my friend, everyone is going to be dying now, but please, all right. So thanks for watching my all views. My subscriber to you will watch my prediction video, but kindly holder in those days we will need, my friends, to see the prediction of this now. So please holders, don't do any mistake and be safe from a loss. See you next time. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel. But this time if we just only check out, my friend, the brand, you can see here the brand coin, my friend. You see a Stellar XLM chart. So definitely after a huge pump, every coin, first of all remember this, my friends, to after a huge pump every coin will fails down very badly. So therefore I will notify you, my friends, to be safe from loss and just go now, otherwise we will all lose now. So thanks, my friends. I hope in upcoming time they will give us a very good profit, but please don't start a selling now. So thanks for watching. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.